It's another weekend. Tara, kain tayo. Kain tayo. Hello, and day 2 of our Bangkok trip. Today, we're going to another mall. It's called Siam Paragon. I haven't seen it, obviously. Nadaanan namin siya kagabi going home. But I'm curious to see what's inside and why it's one of the most famous malls. Part of the top 10 famous malls here in Bangkok. So, katabi ni Siam Paragon, if I'm not mistaken, si Siam Discovery, and it's in the same area as Siam Square. So, let's see if we can go around the three. But for now, our destination is Siam Paragon. Umupo muna kami because we toured around the grocery. We're very excited. It's one of the things we like doing out of the country is to go to different groceries and see what they have. Ang daming fresh fruits, ang daming dried fruits, ang daming chaching. Alam niyo kung ano yung chaching? So we sat down first and we're here at Pangcha. It's Royal Thai milk tea place. Let's see if it's any different than the milk tea we had at Ban That Tong. Sabi kasi it's one of the best. Sabi nila. So let's see if it has a different taste than your usual Thai milk tea outside. But so far, I'm loving Siam Paragon. Ganda ng selection nila ng food sa food court nila. halos lahat Michelin star or Michelin recognized. So that's exciting. That's what we're gonna have for lunch. But for now, let's just have some Thai milk tea and roti. Let's see if it's any good. The milk tea is here. Yung milk tea nila, their Thai milk tea has a selection of with boba and wala. So I got the one with the 3. Busog ka na naman nito. So their Thai milk tea is 95 baht. And then their butter roti is 170 baht with service charge and VAT and so on. So total niya is 311 baht. So medyo pricey siya, but you're in CM Paragon, so ganun talaga. Let's see if it's good. I'm excited. Wow, ito masarap. A lot better than the one we had last night. Pero double yung presyo. So, alam mo na. But it's good. Ang sarap. The butter roti is here. It smells so good. Bango. It says world-class Thai tea and it's true. Hapon, sumakay kami ng Grab. Pangalawa na yon na na diretso kami kinakausap ng Thai. Mukha daw kami. Free lunch.
Yes, sir.
Yummy. Yung Thai milk tea niya is pricier, but it's good. It's really good. So, finish namin yung food and then ikot na kami sa mall. end the time here at McDonald's. So, medyo order kami ng mga kakaibang meal yung wala sa atin. Meron silang truffle cheese chicken bites, spicy chicken parmesan something. But we ordered twister fries kasi wala na siya sa atin. And then there's this pineapple pie, corn pie. Let's see ano yung lasa. Yung twister fries nila, less salty than ours. Let's try their chicken parmesan burger. Yum. Spice level. Uy, spicy. Akala ko hindi spicy. Spicy pala. The truffle chicken bites. So, para pala siyang shake-shake version. It's good. Lasa naman siyang truffle. Pero syempre, medyo artificial yung pagka-truffle niya. It's good. I mean, for fast food. Diba? Their chicken bites, if you ask me, better mag-nuggets ka na lang. They're not kidding with the spicy chicken. Spicy. Spicy hanggang lalamunan. Okay, good thing to note. When they say spicy, it's spicy. Pero masarap. Well, let's try their corn pie. Pag describe ko yung lasa ng corn pie nila, mai-imagine nyo na siya. Imagine nyo yung maha. Tinunaw mo, ginawa mong creamy paste, nilagay mo sa crispy thingy ni McDo. You fry it, that's it. It's like crispy maha. Masarap. Kung sanay ka lang kay apple pie or peach mango pie, nung pulang bubuyog, maninibago ka. But it's good. Pero maanghang yung chicken nila, ha? Medyo naiiyak na ako. Next, pineapple pie. To those who know me, at sa mga hindi na nakakakilala, di ako fan ng pineapple. I like pineapple juice, but the pineapple fruit itself, hindi ako fan. Like when it's present, I can pass. Hindi ko rin siya para hanapin. So let's see if the pineapple pie will break that. I would say that I like the pineapple pie better than the corn pie. I think this can be a good contender for the apple pie. It's not too sweet, but masarap siya. It's not too sweet. Wala siya yung, you know that feeling the pineapple gives you sometimes na makati sa dila, lalamunan. Walang ganun. Or if it's something sweet na minsan masakit sa lalamunan, wala. This is good. I mean, if you're gonna do this in the Philippines, I think this is a good contender for apple pie. This is like a lot better than corn pie for me. Good. It's good.
และชมและเลือกซื้อสินค้าได้ที่เคาน์เตอร์คืนนี้ชั้น2เริ่มทำมิสโตร์
Mainit lang.
ตั้งแต่วันนี้ถึง อยู่ที่30 เมษายนของ
So yeah, so that's our McDonald's merienda for today. We like trying McDonald's in each country to see what they have. And of course, to sort of compare it to the menu that we have in Manila. So yeah, this is interesting. Actually, sobrang dami pa nilang food sa menu na wala sa Philippines. Especially their chicken thigh version. Probably we can try that some other day. But for now, for merienda, this is what we've got. So it's good. Hello, midnight snack. We got hungry, so we ordered midnight snack. Yung menu nila, merong late snack menu from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. Siyempre, di namin pinalampas. So, it's 11 o'clock p.m. 12 midnight Manila time. So, it's midnight snack. So, we ordered vegetable spring roll, vanilla creme brulee, and french fries while wearing their bathrobe. While wearing their robe. Sobrang fancy. It's fleece inside. So warm. Para akong nahug ng teddy bear. Kaya ako siya suot. Okay. Now let's try. Their fries comes with chili mayo. More cry. Try the chili mayo.
Now, let's try the spring roll.
Basil. Lasang pesto. Char. Crispy. Ooh. Uy, may bihon sa loob. Pansit pala to. Binalot. Up.
Mas masarap to sa suka.
Oh.
Shut it. I'm bird. English.
Okay. Yung bedding. The spring rolls is placed in a bed of fried noodles. Like this one. Akala ko decor lang. May purpose pala siya actually. Because you see, sa ilalim ng fried noodles, andun lahat ng oil. I didn't know that. I was an HRM student. Hindi ko na pag-aral. Baka absent ako. At least hindi nga naman siya paper towel or what. I know it's already drained ng finray nila. Pero more excess oil. More na excess pa sobra-sobra. Yung excess oil niya nasa ilalim ng noodles. Story time. Kanina naghihintay kami ng Grab sa Platinum Mall. Tapos, nakita ko sa labas, puro hilera yung Muay Thai. Habi ko. Big deal si Muay Thai sa no? Sa Thailand, Dito siguro nag-originate yun. Yes. Pagod na po siguro ako kanina. Sinabi ko siya. Sa akin kakasabi ko lang, Muay Thai. Dito galing. Yes, correct. Tama yung decision namin umorder ng late snack instead of ordering Grab. Kasi, bababa ka pa. At ito dadalhin sa kwarto mo. Now, on to the dessert. Light snack pero may dessert. Meron siyang dahon. So, I assume edible to, no? Parang siyang cookie. Now, vanilla creme brulee. Yan. With, uy, anong prutas to? Hindi maliit. What is this?
Hindi ba blueberry yan?
It's green.
Greenberry.
Para siyang kiwi. Hello. Yummy. So, galing pala kami CM Paragon kanina. It's giving Shangri-La Mall. Even the grocery. It's just bigger than most marketplaces. Pero yun yung vibe ni CM Paragon. So, apart from the grocery, most of the stores they see in Paragon is on the high-end side. Like your Gucci, your LV, your Patek, your Tiffany, your Hermes. It's that kind of mall. So it's fun going around. Pero pinaka na-enjoy ko is there's a Nintendo store. Namunti ko nang uwi lahat ng available stuff doon. Hindi ko lang alam paano uuwi. So, may naka-promo na buy 3, get 1. Wanted to get more. What? So, I'll show them in a bit. Over muna. Sige na nga ngayon. Your usual high-end stores. Kita mo din naman yan sa Pilipinas. Well, not all, but most of it. Look at this. Sobrang cute. If you're a 90s kid or lower, you would know all of these. And this. Yan. Pag tinamaan mo yung Maryong malaki, liliit, di ba? Yan. Oh, syempre, kilala mo dapat yan. And of course, sa lahat ng Mario character, ito yung favorite ko. I think Super Mario 3 to. Yung version ni Mario na merong frog, na merong raccoon, na merong hindi mo na alam, no? Ito yung favorite ko sila! Look, it's the raccoon Mario na nagiging anito. Alam nyo ba yon? Tinama, naka-costume na siya. Meron to yung naka-frog siya. Yung naka-frog siya, nakakahinga siya sa ilalim ng tubig. Pero hindi nakatakip yung face niya, imagine. Look. Buy 3, get 1 free. So yeah. So ganda. Merong Nintendo sa CM Paragon. Tapos andun din yung Nextopia. Hindi ako familiar doon, to be honest. I just saw that it's their installation. I don't know what it is. So, cute yung installation niya. Para siyang environment something. The look. Kasi it's green, it's flowers, and then meron din characters na naka-display pa hindi ko sila kilala. So, dinaanan din namin siya sa 5th level, and then nandun din yung ibang restaurant. So, we got to try a new restaurant kanina. And we wanted to go dun sa may food court area ni CM Paragon where you have a lot of Michelin restaurants. But the thing is, personal realization ko, since sa Bangkok, ang daming Michelin restaurants, it's kind of hard to chase all of them, obviously. So, you have to be smart in picking ano talagang gusto mong try. But of course, reality will hit you when you're already out that once you're there, at least for me, pipiliin mo yung somehow convenient. And during that time na nasa Nextopia area na kami, there's also 2 floors of food court in the area or restaurants in the area na mas pinili na namin to stay there and look for a restaurant to eat instead of going back to the food court area. We're in 1, syempre, obviously, mas maraming tao. And then 2, mas maraming choices dun sa baba, syempre. However, you have better seats. It's more comfortable dun sa taas. Kaya dun na kami kumain, which is also good because the restaurant that we tried has been a Michelin restaurant also for years. I think it just stopped 2022, 2023. So it's also good din naman. So yeah. Fun. That's CM Paragon for today.
Oh, in the dog area.
In CM Paragon, when we were looking for a restroom, goodness, nakita namin merong pet park. Talaga tong mga 4 na paa na to talaga. Meron na talaga silang sarili nilang areas. Which is nice. Kasi nakita namin kanina, meron talagang mga pet owners that they go out and let their pets play. And then meron pang hugasan, meron silang sariling lavatory. Also, I was buying my Kiehl's Astringent because wala nito sa Philippines. Meron na din silang Kiehl's products. Imagine. Mas mahal pa yung shampoo nila sa shampoo mo, di ba? Mas mahal pa yung conditioner nila sa conditioner mo. At sa spray at sa pabango mo. Imagine. They're really dominating the world. So, good job, Anu. Kaya bumalik pala kami Platinum Mall.
Durian! I've tasted this before. Hindi siya ganito kasarap. And it doesn't taste as it smells. Ma-off ka lang sa smell, pero hindi yun yung lasa niya. Sobrang creamy, sobrang tamis. Lasa na siyang ice cream. So yeah, masarap siya. We got this in grocery in CM Paragon. And it's not cheap, ha? This one whole thing is 500 pesos. So, well, it's worth it naman. Hindi lang namin mauwi sa hotel. One, hindi namin alam kung bawal. And two, oh my goodness, amoy talaga siya sa buong kwarto. Yung plastic yung pinaglagyan niya, nag-amoy na. So, but it's good. I can say that I can eat this again. Yeah, that's durian for you.
Wala kami masyado nabili. Di ko tinuloy yung suit. The custom suit. One of my target sana talaga when we chose to go to Bangkok is magpagawa ng custom suit. However, if you want it ng 24 to 48 hours, it's a little more expensive than their usual 5 to 7 days lead time. So, kung nagmamadali ka, syempre mas mahal siya. And I tried to compute. Yeah, it's good. It's custom made for you. But it's nice it's custom made for you. But if you think about it, if you buy set of suits in Mango or Zara, you just really have to find a good pair for you. And then you have it altered. Technically speaking, custom made na din siya for you, di ba? So, hindi ko siya tinuloy for a lot of reasons. And then, wala din talaga akong nagustuhan in terms of tela, design. So, siguro mas paghahandaan ko siya if ever I go back na I'll look for for a design that I really, really want na pagaya. But syempre, the more elaborate it is, I guess, the more expensive it will get. So, hindi ko siya tinuloy. So, we went around Platinum. It's like 168 Mall. I think that's the best comparison I can think of. A mix of 168 Mall and 999 Mall. So, yun yung comparison that I can think of in the Philippines. Wala akong masyadong nabili kasi one, it's actually expensive na din if you think about it. And if you've seen the products that you also see online, andun yung, nakikita ko yan online eh. May mga ganun siya. So, hindi, well, we just went around, tried to see what's in there. Kasi nga napagsaraduhan kami kahapon dahil hanggang 8 o'clock lang pala yun. So, we really didn't get to buy anything. Di ko rin nakita din yung mga duster for Lola sana. It's the more expensive, like, house clothes na pwede mo din gamitin sa labas. So, yan. So, uwi kami. And again, traffic. Goodness, 40 minutes at 8 p.m. For real. Yun lang. So, kaya nagutom kami ulit pag-uwi. So, we ordered midnight. So, that's the story time for today. Tomorrow, we're excited because papadating na si Ate Yana, si Ate Via, and si Mom and Daddy. So, tomorrow, we'll see you and we'll go to a different mall again and see if we can ride a tuk-tuk. Good night!